Hey, how's it going?
It's going good, man. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. Just about a month now. Well, month and like a couple days. Actually, emailed you the other day. Just in a month, really not changing anything different besides just following the meal plan. Down 20. And
Let's go.
like I said, not changing anything besides basically what I eat. Still do the same exercises, nothing more extravagant, nothing of that nature.
And all you did is change your food, and bam, you're down 20 freaking pounds.
Yeah. and at first it was like very disgruntling until like I looked at my day one picture of starting to plan, and then after I took one, and I was like, well, holy shit, no wonder I had to go get a new belt, and I actually had to go and get new jeans today. And I mean, that's just 1 month in.
Down 20 pounds in 1 month?
Yeah.
Dude, let's go. That's why I tell everyone, take before and after photos. You're more excited about your before and after photos than you are the 20 pounds.
Oh, for sure. Like I said, I still get on the scale, but I don't really pay much attention to it. I just more or less as a safe haven to know that, I didn't just miraculously get 10 pounds heavier overnight. I know it fluctuates, and don't hold it to heart. But with that being said, so this week I'll be traveling for a week, and I'm pretty much going to be forced to restaurants, and I'm like super nervous about that.
Don't be nervous about it. The restaurant thing's going to be cake. You can eat. They're always going to have meat and veggies at the restaurants. And majority of the time, they're going to have the calories there too. If they don't,
Right.
Just get a meat and a veggie. If they're going to have steak, order a frickin' steak and asparagus and broccoli or something with the steak, or get some chicken, add an extra chicken breast with it and stuff like that.
Right. Okay. And the other thing, I know you do all your testing or checking over. How do you feel about PB2?
PB2, you're going to be better off with PB2 than you're going to be with regular peanut butter, because regular peanut butter just has so much freaking... I don't know where the hell it's all coming from, because PB2, 2 tablespoons are going to be enough. You mix a little with water, bam, you got a lot of peanut butter right there.
Right, yeah, I only been putting a half a serving in with the True Mill.
Oh, you're putting PB2 in with True Meal? Oh, that's game changer with that.
Yeah, I'm a slut for peanut butter.
I love that.
Yeah, man, that's more or less just wanted to call in. I kind of told you I wouldn't email there because I'm waiting to see you on. Thanks. Just following what you put in. So,
hey, I appreciate it, man. It's pretty awesome. I know I haven't been on in a really long time, but it's just been awesome knowing, I'm still waking up with DMs. People are still doing this. People are telling me the results of what's going on in a freaking day. It sounds so cliche when I say this, but when this happens and people are getting results, it really is the reminder of why I do this every single freaking day.
Right.
So keep doing what you're doing, man. And when you're down 30 to 35 pounds, I'll reset the custom meal plan. I'll change your calories. We'll drop them down.
All right. Sounds good.
Awesome, man. Have an amazing night. Keep doing what you're doing.
All right. Thanks, brother.
Yep. Bye. Let's freaking go. Let's just make Sunday and tells me about their amazing results. One person down 20 pounds 1 month, another one 28 pounds in 2 months. Can't say much about it, but if you guys are new here, seriously, welcome to the Q&A.